Hey folks, I just wanted to take a minute. I had a boneheaded move here the other day. It's kind of windy out here, so sorry, but I was aerating my yard and I thought I had my in-ground dog fence completely buried far enough that the aeration wouldn't bug it, but I walked in the house and the controller is making that high-pitched squeal. So I knew I broke the wire, and I was like, how am I gonna fix it? So what I got is, I got the Pro Pointer little carrot metal detector and the Greenlee circuit seeker. I'll do my best to show you what I did here, but I ended up finding my wire broke. And I'll show you. I just decided that there isn't a lot of great videos on this, and this can be a real pain, but you can see all the flags around the yard. I went through with that carrot and located the wire most of the way, and also I had previous photos from the install. Let's walk inside here and I'll show you this controller. So I just take one of the wires, because it's a complete circuit, right? And you take one of so the machine will sense open circuit, power this on, and it'll flash open line mode, which is kind of hard to see, but that's what it says. So then it'll send a signal down that wire, and see, make sure this is on high range mode, because low range it won't pick it up very well. But what I had to do was go through and see how this is going. That means that line is still intact, it's complete. But you can see on the opposite side the line was broke, and I currently have it, so right here is the other part of the line, and see how there's nothing? So that tells me the line broke right here. So I have it here, I have it right here, and nothing here. So basically that helped me find my break, but what I had to do was use the metal detector, trace out the line, go with a screwdriver periodically and dig down to the wire, and then use that circuit tracer and see if it would catch it. But the further away you get from that Greenlee controller, depending on how big your fence is, it might not work the best, but it did work for my situation. I got a pretty long fence, probably half-acre yard. Now I just take these two ends together here, splice them back, or strip them back. Put that just like that. Braid it around each other. Got our soldering iron. Kind of like that. Then I just take, once you got that soldered, take and just melt your heat shrink. Alright, there's our controller, and we got the top light is power and the bottom one is the loop. Look at that. They're both solid, no alarm. We're good. It's fixed. Thanks for watching.